what should I do today? I guess I can go for a little walk in the street or something. Yeah. I'm gonna go out for a walk in the street and then I guess come back to my little hut. I love you. Oh, time to go. Wait, what? Freddy Fazbear's Pizza Castle. Whoa. Well, I guess I can go inside and check that out. Yeah. Gonna go inside. Wait. I think I should go shopping first. Hey, Jacob. What? Have you seen Bonnie? No, I haven't seen him. Like since this morning at 6 a.m. Ah. Okay. Well, what are we gonna do then? Look at this fluffy asshole. What is it? A fluffy asshole. Don't touch him. Is it a her or a he? He's gonna kill you. Ah! He's killing you. He's killing you. Ah! Oh no, you're killing me. Oh! He's killing you. Shoot me! But that was weird. What did you do? Control. Ow! So it's uncontrollable. Ah! I'm back. And so where is Bonnie? Where's Bonnie? What? Okay, where's Bonnie? I have no clue. I'm gonna call his name. Bonnie! 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 Oh, where did you go? I'm lying down, because I like it. Bonnie! I'm Bonnie. Bonnie! 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 Where is that stupid little rascal? I'm Bonnie. I'm stupid and an asshole and brat. I'm going to go look for the real Bonnie, Foxy. You're fast. Oh, I hated that. Oh, it was so gross and disgusting. Well, get out of my spot. What the heck? Oh. I won't get you where you should go. Get off me! Where the hell is Bonnie? More like you're here to destroy the day. Oh, you broke the stage. Ow! That hurt. You're Bonnie. Bonnie, you're not a superhero. You're a stupid idiot. No, I'm not a superhero. I'm a superhero. Hey, has anyone seen Chica since like 1 second ago? Freddy, get me out of this box! Oh, I found it. Where? Yeah. Freddy, you're rude. That's what all I need to say. Really? I'm rude? Yeah, I'm rude! Well, Bonnie is never gonna be a superhero. Yep, like, never. What is that noise? I don't know, I don't think the viewers can hear it. Okay. I think Bonnie's going through something really weird and awkward. Now he'll be fine.
I saved the day. You're fired.
He had.
You're hired. Now you're fired.
Well, that's weird. Where's Bonnie anyway? I think he went to a job here. Then why do we hear him? Wait, he's under. Is he under freaking the pizzeria? I think so. Wow, that's weird. Freddy! Is that freaking a dummy of you? Who is it there? Who's there? Who's there? Come on, tell me. Come on. Tell me. Look at me. Foot. Foot.
Come on, help me.
Oops. Sorry. Just tell me already. Yeah, I am the one who was talking about Freddy Fazbear. That was the dummy of it. He's in the bathroom. So I guess we can kiss. what you want now? I was just in the bathroom and I put a dummy. What you need? Shut up, husband. Oh yeah, I forgot your wife and husband. And I'm like, you forgot that we are married.
I'm here to say today.
Ow! Freddie forgot that we were married. So I hit him. That should knock away your shock for getting married.
Hit Freddie.
God. Help me! I'm here. Wait, what? I was here first! No, I was!
I got windows here.
Hi guys. Ow! I'm Free the Puppet now. Leave me alone. I am Fly. Wee.
You're an evil villain.
No, I'm not. Ah! Help me! Ah! 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 Help me from this stranger! Ah! Free! Wait! Free! Free! I remember you from somewhere. Wait a second. Ah! That's nice. You want my autograph? Not your freaking autograph. I know you. Seriously? Yep, I know you. That's impossible. Oh, but it's true.
Alright.
It's true. I freaking know you. Isn't that awesome? It's amazing. It's a horror fact. Hey, stop! Stop! You're gonna ruin my animatronic mask! Yes, of course. All of you have one on. Hi. Who are you?
I love your style.
What style? Is that in black or something? No, why do you, what style?
I love your angry style, asshole!
Oh, so you like my, black? Oops, sorry. Well, you like my black style?
No, I like your look.
Oh.
No, I don't like your look.
You're racist!
I hate your look. Fuck you. I like your hair like me.
Hey! You're racist! You're racist! I'm black! Black people matter! Black lives matter! Black lives matter! Ah! Black lives matter!
No, black life.
Black lives actually a fake should die. Hey, that's rude, because I'm sure the black, because brown equals black. No, it doesn't. It does. Shut up, all you.
Hungry.
Where did you get that from?
Mine.
Oh.
Freddy Fazbear Pizza, asshole.
Yeah. No, it's called Freddy Faz.
Hey, I made some friends.
Freddy's Pizza World. Pizza
Hey, I
Castle.
made some friends when you were gone. Okay, Bonnie.
I only know you.
That was him. I'm Freddy, asshole.
Yes, that's. I know.
That's Chica.
I'm over here, Freddy. You forgot that I'm over here, and also I'm your freaking wife, not your freaking best friend. What the heck?
Oh, what I was doing here?
You're a lot different from when I saw you last time. You're usually about all the jump scares and everything.
What, you mean pooping and stuff?
No, you mean jump scares. Wow, I don't care. I'm a savage. You never said that in your whole entire life when I met you. Well, you see, Freddy's a little bit different from when he was old. What?
Do you recognize this guy?
No. I mean, yes.
Oh, that's me.
Hey, I'm the baby.
Okay, that's how I remember it. Wait, are you Freddy but beat up?
What do you mean?
I recognize you.
Wait, were you always freaking, you never said savage in your life, right?
Yeah, I savage is stupid.
Okay.
Oh, I get it now!
What?
When you were gone, we got old. We got broken up and all that stuff.
Okay, did you used to, like, be in the jump scare business where you jump scare the freaking night guard?
Yeah. And yeah. Yeah, I was always like this, right? Do you recognize me?
Yep. I sort of recognized him because he was sort of the same as you.
Yeah, I used to be like that and be famous and singing and poopy and stuff. Ow!
Never said poopy in your life.
Poopy.
So I guess you changed it a little bit. Are you still in the jump scaring business?
obviously, asshole.
Actually, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say no. Because we are sort of retired because we're old and beat up and everything, and we just want to done with it. But the fact... Stop! You guys are way different. I don't really like you anymore because you freaking threw the camera, and now we are experiencing some interruptions. Are you freaking serious? Bitch! What? Bitch! Okay. Hey! 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 Shut up! Wait, is there a new and improved puppet? I think somebody's on vacation with Golden Freddy and Nightmare Mango and everyone else. That's supposed to be the dinner for that business. Okay. Oh God. Oh. Well, okay. Well, I'm gonna go make my own box. Cause I used to be the puppet for the box. Ah. What the heck is your problem?
Dun 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 bang dun dun dun.
Well, whatever.
Oh goodness. Buddy, nobody, and always like fat.
Wait a second. Wait, I remember you. No, I never actually met you, but... I'm gay. Hello, everybody. If you like this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, please subscribe. And also, we're going to come out with a vlog just right now. What's up, dudes? We're back. Just telling you a little something. Hey, look what he touched me to. It's different than the screwdriver. Okay, so what the thing is, our channel is a little bit different. It has a different name because we're going to start doing vlogs every day. We wanted to do 2 plush videos today because we felt like it, but there's sort of a little vlog near the end, which is right now. And yeah. So we're gonna do 2 videos a day. One is going to be a vlog, and one's going to be a plush video. Starting today. And we changed it to Super Yoshi Vlogger and Plush Bros because we're going to be vlogging every day and everything. Yeah. And also look at thumbnails. I don't know how they use Photoshop anymore, so I just take a photo with my kitty zoomer and then I put like the title and everything. Yeah. So yeah. What Freddy said was, if you like this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up, and if you want to see more content, please subscribe, and I'm addicted to YouTube. Goodbye, everybody. Are you kidding me, man? Whatever.